Weather is the atmospheric condition of a given place and time. The weather is always changing. It affects what you wear, what you eat, and what you do. There are five types of weather. These are sunny, cloudy, windy, rainy, and stormy. Second is the cloudy weather. In a cloudy day, the sun is covered with clouds. The sun's rays cannot reach the land, and the air is not too hot or too cold. The weather is fair, and families enjoy riding their bikes and children enjoy playing outside. Third is the windy weather. On a windy day, the wind blows hard and the wind affects the weather. Plants and trees sway as the wind blows and leaves may be blown away. Next is the rainy weather. On the rainy weather, dark clouds cover the sky. There is a light to moderate rain which can last for a short period of time or for days. The air is cool and people walk on the streets with their umbrellas, raincoats, and boots. And last is the stormy weather. On the stormy weather, the sky is covered with thick and dark clouds. There is a moderate to heavy rain which may cause floods. The wind is blowing strong, leaves and branches of trees may be blown away. Some trees may be uprooted and small houses made of light materials may be destroyed.